In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Google Calendar to your Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get your calendar showing up directly on your site so visitors can see your events without leaving the page. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. If you're not already logged in, sign into your Wix account using your usual details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and then log in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you can see your existing sites or create a new one. Next, you want to move into the website builder for the site where you want to add your Google Calendar. On your dashboard, look for the site you want to edit and click the button that takes you to the editor. Depending on your interface, this might say edit site or something similar. This will open the Wix website builder where you can see your page layout and all the elements you already have on your site. Give the editor a moment to load fully. When everything is ready, you'll see your website preview in the center and a toolbar or panel on the side. This is where you'll add new content. To add your Google Calendar, you need to insert a new element onto the page. Look for the option that says Add or Add Elements. It's usually on the left-hand side of the editor as a plus icon. Click that to open the list of elements you can add to your page. Now, instead of scrolling through everything, use the search feature to quickly find what you need. In the search bar that appears within the Add Elements panel, type Google Calendar. As you type, Wix will filter the available apps and elements that match your search. This helps you avoid hunting through categories and gets you straight to the calendar integration. When you see the Google Calendar option appear in the results, click on it. This is the app or element that will allow you to embed your Google Calendar into the page. Clicking it will usually show a brief description and a preview, so you know you're selecting the correct integration. At this point, Wix prepares to place that Google Calendar element onto your page layout. To actually start working with it, look for the button labeled Open. Click Open to add the Google Calendar element to your current page. The calendar box will appear right on your site preview, and from there you can drag it into position, resize it, and follow any on-screen prompts to connect it to your actual Google Calendar account. If Wix asks you to sign in to Google or choose which calendar to display, just follow those prompts on screen. Once the calendar is in place and connected, use the editor tools to adjust the size and placement so it fits nicely with the rest of your page. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your changes and then publish or update your site so your visitors can see the new calendar live. That's all it takes to add Google Calendar to your Wix website.